Hey everyone, and welcome back. I'm Mr. Stoltz. Today I'm taking a look at the Nike Odyssey React. Yes, I know, very similar to the Epic React, but with a few small differences here and there. But with a price point of $120, I believe that this is a great shoe, an excellent shoe from Nike. At that price point, to offer a $120 shoe that delivers that much, super, excellent. So at the front of the box, it looks like this. And then taking it out, I don't have that many green shoes, so I said to myself, hey, why not order a green pair of shoes? And the first thing I see, it looks very similar to the Epic React. As you can tell on both sides, it looks very, very similar. I got in this green colorway. The upper of the shoe is a mesh material. It is a little bit harder because of the Flyknit versus mesh. Flyknit, so it's always a little bit softer, but then at the same time, it doesn't bother me that much. Really nice shoe, comfortable. So all mesh at the front, green flat laces, and then the tongue is actually a tongue and then an inner booty as well. So when you put the shoes on, it feels like an inner booty, like it feels like a second sock or whatever, or a first sock, whatever you want to call it. It feels really good on feet. We have a fused part at the back that separates the front and back materials. Moving down a little bit, we have the support system in black and it says Nike React. And then the main part of this shoe that makes it so great for the price point of 120 is, of course, the foam. The React foam is excellent, just like the Epic React. Feels great on feet, love it. The one thing I thought about is that, is it gonna feel a lot different? Because underneath the shoe, you can see it's a little bit different. On the React, we have support at the front and back. On this one, we have front, back, and then middle as well. And I believe they put here because right here on the Epic React, it's gonna tear up, maybe not really fast, but I've noticed that on my other pair, that it's gonna be tearing up, and yeah, I don't know how long it's gonna last, and that's the reason why I believe they put it right here. I hope they're gonna make it on this one in the future as well. We'll see. So this feels excellent, love it. Couldn't be better. One of my top favorite shoes of all time. I love the Nike Epic React foam. Big thumbs up. Looking at the back, it says Odyssey React at the pull tab. And then we have this typical support system at the back and it says Nike. The one difference though on the support system that goes around, you can see here on the Epic React, it's just plain. It's just like a straight line all the way through it, just like this. But on the inner side of the Odyssey, it goes down a little bit. So they wanted to tweak it a little bit to make it just a little bit different. So that is about it. Yeah, I was talking about underneath, support, more support, love it. It's not gonna wear out as quick as this one. It is a little bit heavier, but not a lot. But taking a look inside of the shoe, so we have an inner sock liner, all black, with the Nike swoosh logo. This one I can remove it so you can see what it looks like this. Information label is placed at the side. And that is about it on this shoe. I just wanted to have like a little quick review of this shoe. If you want a more in-depth, you can go take a look at this one. It's more or less the same shoe. It's just the upper of the shoe that is different material. But then also one difference is the back color is that it has a lot more padding. And I really like that. I think it feels good. But the one thing that I noticed though, if I'm taking this one in a size 11 and this in a size 11, this one feels really good. But because there's more cushioning at the back, it feels like it's pushing my foot forward just a little bit, making this, maybe I should go up half a size or true to size. Like, it feels good, but on this one, I don't feel pressure on my toe. With this one, I feel just a little bit. So that's just a little heads up in case, like I don't feel on my left foot, I feel on my right foot because my right foot is a little bit bigger. So my left foot, this one is perfect. Right foot, this one, it's very close to being like, nah, I want to return it and then grab half a size up. Leave a comment down below what you guys feel about it. So that was it. Let's take an on feet look. So what do you guys think about this one? I really like it. I think it's a great shoe. It is less expensive than this one. and it doesn't have the same upper that I like so much. I love the Flyknit. But then at the same time, a few of my friends been saying that this model at the back is really thin, so it's hurting their ankle a little bit. I haven't noticed that at all. So for those people, this one might be better because you have a lot more padding at the back. Plus it's cheaper. So hey, it's a win-win for you guys if you don't really like the back part of this one. So this was my little short review of the Odyssey React. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to leave a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below and let's discuss this shoe. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you very soon again. Take care.